Welcome back, everyone! Today, we are unboxing and tear down Huawei's latest basic flagship smartphone, the Pura70 Ultra. This new model is priced at $1,360, and we're excited to take a closer look at it. Let's dive right in. We are unboxing the highly anticipated Huawei Pura70 Ultra smartphone. As we lift the lid, we're greeted with a sleek, well-designed package. Inside, the Pura70 Ultra sits securely in its tray, showcasing its premium finish and attention to detail. Beneath the phone, we find the usual assortment of accessories, including a charger, cable, and a pair of headphones, all neatly arranged. The unboxing experience feels luxurious, reflecting the quality and care Huawei puts into its products. We're eager to explore this new device further, so stay tuned for our teardown. This is the internal structure of the retractable lens. Unboxing Huawei's surprise release, the Pura70 Ultra. The front features a 6.8-inch hole-punch, curved screen. The lens has a very distinctive design, and the retractable lens is extremely cool. The back cover integrates a very precise micro motor, likely sourced from Huawei machine shop. The rotary retractable structure resists external interference. It is a precise sleeve that is both flexible and water-resistant, which is impressive. The main camera lens and outer shell structure expand and contract in sync, proving it's not just for show. It also features 8 levels of aperture adjustment. After removing the wireless charging coil cover, there's a laser focusing sensor. The main camera includes a 1-inch large sensor and a 50mm retractable lens group. This structure theoretically increases optical zoom and reduces body thickness. It also features an ultra-wide-angle lens and a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. The multi-layered stacked main board is well-crafted, and the front camera includes autofocus. It also uses domestic memory chips, as well as Gore Acoustics dual speakers. The Risen Technology 0809X linear motor and under-display fingerprint sensor, along with a 5,200 mAh real capacity battery supporting 100-watt fast charging. Upon unboxing, we find that the hardware of the Huawei Pura70 Ultra isn't quite on par with the Mate 60 Pro Plus. The screen is narrower. In my opinion, the hand feel is better than the Mate 60 series, but it's not the Mate series. Huawei has reserved some hardware strength, but the retractable lens doesn't disappoint. It reduces body thickness while maintaining its unique cool factor. Additionally, Huawei's 1-inch large sensor lens offers promising imaging quality. Due to time constraints, we'll explore more about the Pura70 in depth later. The Pura70 Ultra has 16 GB of RAM and storage options of either 512 GB or 1 TB. The battery capacity is 5,200 mAh, with charging capabilities of 100-watt wired, 80-watt wireless, and 20-watt reverse charging.